I'm really pleased to share that following the wonderful entries we had last year and Gray's Convent taking the crown, we are now bringing the C2 sanitary project to life across the c2c network.
Their idea was to provide free period care products at their local station, and the C2C team saw the brilliance in that idea and extended it to both all the public-facing toilets but also the employee toilets as well.
Narrowed it down to this because we felt it would have a larger impact, making it affordable by making it free and giving better access in a way that you're not embarrassed about it.
I got an email from the girls. They told me all about the project that they were doing. So I replied being like, sounds great, keep me updated and just let me know when you win. 4 months later, I got another email saying, we won. And that was kind of the start of it. And so we went on to have brand meetings and we worked on the artwork together and then finally got the dispensers into the toilets.
I think this has given us so many opportunities. We've met so many amazing people. It's given me leadership skills, management skills, planning skills, loads of things that I'm sure I can use in the future.
Thurrock's next top boss placed no onus on us to introduce anything really, but we wanted to make a firm and real commitment to the girls because they put in some really hard work. There was some fantastic initiative that they put in place.
They must feel really proud and empowered that they've been able to do this. It just lets them know what they can achieve moving forward. And you know, periods are not a choice. They're thrust upon you. You should have free products in the same way that we have toilet paper or paper towels when we use the restroom.
Students' involvement with C2C will hold them in great stead for their future careers. It will be something that they can put on their CVs. It will definitely impress future employers.
This is just the beginning. We will be installing these at every station, every depot and every office to benefit everybody.